You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? The name of this Spanish actor and model. So let's look at the Spanish pronunciation first, and then we'll look at how you can say it in English. In Spanish, in Spain, Gabriel, the stress is on the last syllable, on the L syllable, Gabriel. Guevara, so the V is obviously pronounced like a B in Spanish, Guevara. The stress is on the ba syllable. Gabriel Guevara. In English, it'd be okay. I mean, you can say Gabriel, but Gabriel is a bit better. Guevara. Some may say Guevara, be okay. Gabriel Guevara, better. Gabriel Guevara. Or in Spanish, Gabriel Guevara. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.